How to view saved passwords on Brave browser. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In today's video, we will understand how to view saved passwords on Brave browser. Viewing saved password in Brave browser can be performed easily with a handful of steps that take a few minutes only. If you are ready, here is what you need to do. Open Brave browser on your computer. At the top right corner, click on three lines. Then click on Settings. A new window will appear. At the left corner, click on Autofill and Passwords option. Here select Password Manager option. Now your all saved password appear here. This is how you can simply view saved passwords on Brave browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.